What's up, guys? My name is Colin Canso, and today I'm reviewing a new game. I've officially quit the gym, and I'm playing Duet Cats. So, guys, yeah.
Meow, 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 meow.
Guys, this app is free.
Meow.
Fuck. Continue. Watch an ad, bro. I'm playing some Duet Cats.
How's it going, kiddo? Are you ready to learn a new song? Let's get this show started.
Ali knows he wants to play.
What's wrong?
I don't know. I'm not good enough yet.
You said the same thing about the last lesson you finished,
really
and
what?
now look. Can you play this?
Of course, that's
Alright, it's
easy.
not my problem, bro. Yo, hold on.
That's easy now. When you first saw this,
Oh,
notes, I
yeah,
thought your
I
eyes
know.
were gonna pop out of your head.
This next one is really hard.
Ah, you got this.
Yo, hold on. I'm playing Duet Cats.
Meow, meow, meow.
What the fuck?
Didn't even try to deny it.